5 Best Vacuum for Tile and Carpet Reviews. Number 1. Shark Apex DuoClean for Carpet and Hard Floor. Do you have a lovely cat or dog? Does he/she shed hair around the house? All the pet parents can relate to this feeling of helplessness. Deep cleaning is an everyday chore for a home, but having a pet takes it to just another level. Nobody has this much energy and time to spare from their already hectic life, and Shark Apex is here to help you. Shark Apex comes with 2 powerful brush rolls that are going to sort out the worst kind of pile of dirt from your tiles floor. Whether it is large debris, dust particles, and stuck dirt is nothing for it, and the sheer velocity of the pull of its suction vacuum is worth praising. But it is quite versatile, while other upright vacuums are notorious for limited versatility. But not this one. There is a hose that connects to the handle of the vacuum. You can detach it and clean every nook and corner of the house. Number 2. Bissell CleanView Bagless Powerful Suction Vacuum. The machine has an innovative design to make carpet and tile cleaning activities fast and enjoyable. It uses the one-pass technology, which has powerful suction and innovative brush design to clean on the first pass. The cleaner has reduced scatter on tiles to offer efficacy. It has an additional large capacity to hold a lot of waste without frequent emptying. It is also easy to empty the dirt tank, which empties by just a press of a button. The 25-foot combination of a power cord, a 6-foot hose, and a 13.5-inch cleaning path stipulate an extended cleaning reach. This carpet cleaner and vacuum combo ensures you cover a large surface area. It has onboard storage, keeps specialized tools including the turbo brush tool, dusting brush, crevice tool, and extension wand close by while cleaning. Number 3. APOSEN Cordless Vacuum for Hard Floor, Carpet, Car and Pet. Some of us do not have the patience. But it can turn into anxiety when it comes to dragging the cord around every time we are vacuuming different places in the same house. So it can be annoying having to readjust for every room. This is where cordless cleaners like APOSEN Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, who are compact but work just fine, come handy. The compact design helps to go to every corner of the house without any hassle. If you cannot reach a particular spot, you can just convert it to the handheld mode. Detach the top portion and clean the corners. The 250W motor is quite strong as it creates 18 kPa suction. The soft bristled brush also complements the strong motor. Without such a brush, power would be useless, anyway. But note that it can clean at any surface, be it tiles, hardwood, or rugs. So considering everything, this has the best vacuum for tile and carpet for the money. Number 4. Miele Complete C3 Powerful Vacuum for All Type Floors. Only a person who suffers from dust allergy knows how necessary for a house to be clean and dust-free. So if you have a dust allergy or got a family member in the home, you will certainly find this Miele vacuum cleaner useful. Miele C3 has a 9-ply, 3DG Air clean dust bag. 1200-watt vacuum that has a 6-speed control system is enough for a home. But most importantly, if there is overheating or overload going on, it will automatically shut off. The HEPA filter cleans mite feces and pollen. This canister vacuum has advanced tools like thermal protection indicators, a separate upholstery tool, and dusting brush. The active air cleaning filter cleans very effectively at getting rid of allergens out of the air in your house. Number 5. Eurekanes 210 Blaze 3-in-1 Stick Cleaner. It is manufactured by the Eureka company to offer the best of tile and carpet cleaning activities. The vacuum is made from light materials. At only 4 pounds, you can take the Eureka Blaze anywhere. It comes with additional tools that allow you to customize your vacuum for your needs. Moreover, it has a simple steering mode that enhances maneuverability and cleaning efficiency. It can pick up dust with ease, unlike other stick vacuums that push larger particles around. It is a perfect vacuum for tiles and carpets to remove stains that seem to be uncleanable. The vacuum cleaner has a powerful 2-amp motor, picks up particles like dust and pollen easily. It is accompanied by washable filtration. This system easily captures the dirt and improves air quality. The vacuum is much safer and more environmentally friendly.